Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix hypervisor games that are not launching or keep crashing on your Windows PC. Start by opening the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, bcd-edit/set hypervisor launch type off. Press Enter. This command disables the Windows hypervisor from starting when your computer boots. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Turn Windows Features on or off. Open it, then scroll through the list and uncheck Hyper-V, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Virtual Machine Platform if they are enabled. Click OK and let Windows apply the changes. After that, restart your computer so all the changes take effect. If the game still does not launch, you can also temporarily disable memory integrity. Open Windows Security, go to Device Security, then click Core Isolation Details. Turn off the memory integrity toggle. If Windows asks for a restart, restart your PC before testing the game again. Keep in mind that disabling virtualization features and memory integrity may reduce certain Windows security protections, so only keep them disabled if they are required for the game to work. Thanks for watching.